Zynyz is a prescription medicine used to treat a type of skin cancer called Merkel cell carcinoma in adults. What is Zynyz used to treat? Zynyz is used for the treatment of adult patients with a type of skin cancer called Merkel cell carcinoma that is metastatic. Cancer has spread to other parts of the body, or is recurrent locally advanced. Cancer has returned. Merkel cell carcinoma is a rare and aggressive type of skin cancer that usually appears as a painless, reddish-purple skin nodule on the head, neck, and arms and skin exposed to the sun. MCC tends to be a fast-growing cancer with a high rate of metastatic disease, which means it can spread quickly to other parts of the body. How to use? Your healthcare provider will give you Zynyz into a vein through an intravenous line every 30 minutes. Zynyz is usually given every 4 weeks. Your healthcare provider will decide how many treatments you will need. Your healthcare provider will do blood tests to check you for side effects. If you miss any appointments, call your healthcare provider as soon as possible to reschedule your appointment. Usual dose for Merkel cell carcinoma: 500 mg as an intravenous infusion over 30 minutes every 4 weeks until disease progression and acceptable toxicity or up to 24 months. Before you receive Zynyz. Before you start treatment, tell your healthcare provider about all of your medical conditions, including if you have immune system problems such as Crohn's disease, ulcerative colitis, or lupus. Have received an organ transplant. Have received or plan to receive a stem cell transplant that uses donor stem cells, allogeneic. Have received radiation treatment to a chest area. Have a condition that affects your nervous system, such as myasthenia gravis or Guillain-Barré syndrome. Precautions. Based on mechanism of action, can cause fetal harm when administered to pregnant females. Verify pregnancy status in females of reproductive potential before initiating. Tell your healthcare provider about all the medicines you take, including prescription and over-the-counter medicines, vitamins, and herbal supplements. Zynyz side effects. Zynyz can cause serious side effects. The most common side effects include tiredness, muscle and bone pain, itching, diarrhea, rash, fever, nausea.